Hey guys, in this video we are going to look at the audio feature in Mobimatic App Builder. This is the feature you will use when you want to add music, podcasts, talk shows, anything like that to your application. To use the audio feature, what we're going to do is we're going to add a playlist. So let's just pick a random pick. We're going to call it Cape Town. And we're going to give it a title, Cape Tunes. You can obviously also change the page name if we want. And we're going to go OK. Once we've done that, we can now pick what we want to add to this playlist. So we can have some iTunes music. Let's go in here. We can search by artist, album or title. Let's just use 𝐁𝐮𝐢𝐥𝐝. It brings up 𝐁𝐮𝐢𝐥𝐝 and it brings up all the albums of 𝐁𝐮𝐢𝐥𝐝. So we can just pick which albums we want to add to our playlist. Let's just go with those two, add them, and boom, now we have 22 tracks in our playlists. If we click over there on the playlist, it opens up the two albums. We can click on the album, there's all the songs, and if we click on that, it will start playing. We can also add SoundCloud, any SoundCloud files. We will just log into SoundCloud over here, and once we logged in, we can pick it or we can search. And we can do podcasts. We can connect podcasts. So we have the podcast URL. We can put that in here and people can listen to the podcast. It will be added to our playlist. And then we can also do custom stuff. So if you've got a MP3 file, you can add your own title, your own artist. You can give it an artist name, album name, and all of that. We are not going to be doing that. We're going to stick with iTunes and 𝐁𝐮𝐢𝐥𝐝. And there you go. That's how you set up the audio feature in Mobimatic App Builder. So we just go OK. We can go back there. And now we can go and manage our playlists. That means we can change our playlists at any time. So if you don't like 𝐁𝐮𝐢𝐥𝐝 anymore in a couple of months and you want to add some new music, you just log in, you can manage it, you can change your playlists, you can add extra playlists. And we can add more music to that should we want. We can search by title, song title. There we go. And now we've got two playlists that our users can listen to. And that's how you use the audio feature. Really simple, really easy, and quite cool if you want to provide some music to your users. Cheers. See you in the next video.